Hi, I'm Joel with Woodland Scenics, and I want to talk to you about our 2 new DPM house kits. You know, we haven't made DPM kits in quite a long time, and we've heard a lot of consumers telling us, when are you going to bring out another DPM kit? You know, we want houses, we want kits. So that's exactly what we've done. We have 2 new kits, the Victorian Cottage and the Humble Home. All DPM kits come with easy to assemble styrene walls that are highly detailed. This isn't like a scratch-built kit where you get a box of raw materials and you have to do absolutely everything yourself. All the pieces that you need are in these kits, and they're easy to assemble. You glue the walls together, paint it, and you're finished. Just look at the detail on these homes. For instance, the Victorian Cottage has beautiful gingerbread work, chimney, weather vane, and window trim that's built directly into the wall, so you don't have to assemble that yourself. Both of these houses complement each other really well, so I hope you get both to put on your layout. Maybe for a residential area, you could put them down Walnut Street or the main drag in town. They'll be a perfect way to set the scene. For more information on the Humble Home, the Victorian Cottage, and all DPM kits, including footprints, kit contents, and videos, visit woodlandscenics.com.